तानिया, मार्केट अभी खुली है, जुबलिएंट 1600 का होने वाला है, लिमिट सेल करके अभी निकाल दे।
अच्छा ओके ओके डन।
Slam dunk, are you ready to make me?
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Tanya and today on my channel for the very first time I have my father here with me.
Hi, I'm Pramod.
And today we are going to be talking about personal finance. You know, for any of us who make any amount of money, like if we earn a salary or if we are doing some business, finance is such an important topic and none of us really prioritize it as much. And not just finance, like investments, saving up, and all these things are so critical in today's date and age. But I feel like to be able to have an open dialogue, we should be talking to as many people as is possible. And for me personally, I talk to my father all the time because he's like a finance wizard. So I felt like today is a good opportunity to have this conversation on camera and actually ask all of my burning questions for you guys and as well as for me, because why not? Actually हम लोग ये बातें already करते रहते हैं काफ़ी very frequently, like almost every other day we are discussing shares or the market or something or the other. But ठीक है, आज हम लोग आपके सामने भी ये बातें कर लेते हैं. So to start off, Papa, to set the tone of this video, please मेरी थोड़ी सी कुछ तारीफ कर दो.
Yeah, you have done us proud, all right. But there's always some scope for improvement.
Yeah, parents can never really be satisfied with anything that you do. But yeah, I agree with that, honestly. So next, Papa, of course, tell us something about yourself, your background, your education.
Yes, I'm an army veteran and I was studying in Delhi School of Economics before I joined army, and thereafter I have done MBA in finance.
Yeah, so basically all finance and geeky stuff. That is my father for you. So Papa, how did you invest when you had no internet and no resources? Also, कुछ ऐसे mishaps हुए आपके साथ, like while you were on in your early days of investment?
Yeah, that's very interesting. Frankly, we were quite naive. We were just not aware what's happening around us, and we were always interested to invest, but we were not knowing what to do, how to go about it, and especially there was no source of knowledge like you guys have internet today.
Yeah.
But those days we were dependent on brokers, and brokers were connected to the exchange, and we were relying on them for investment. So as a result, firstly, the investment would take place at least 24 hours after placing the order, and secondly, we were hearing from everyone word by mouth and whatever everyone used to say, and we used to pick up that and invest there.
Oh.
And it has always or sometimes resulted in a lot of losses also. And also there was one, I distinctly remember one Ponzi scheme where we invested very heavily, and the returns were astronomical, something like 33% per annum,
okay,
which is just not possible. And since we were naive, we were not aware, we got into the bhed chal, we invested there, and we lost the entire amount.
Yeah.
And I remember thereafter I was very quick to pick up all the Ponzi schemes, and I would advise everyone that okay, this appears to be a Ponzi scheme, please don't go for it.
Yeah, so cool. I honestly feel like we are so lucky and blessed to be in a time where we have so many resources, and I think it's a good time to be investing our money and actually having this discussion. So over to the next question. आज के टाइम पे आप knowledge कहाँ से gather करते हो, and where all have you invested personally?
Okay, knowledge wise, like I just mentioned, internet is actually a gold mine of resource.
Yeah.
Today, any information, be it on trading, be it on stock market, be it on investment opportunities, or various investment vehicles that are available to you, and also the real estate, and also the blogs of everyone who have invested and whether they have done well or not, that's available. In addition, today you got number of trading platforms where you get the live opportunity, live investment opportunities, which is a very good sign.
Yeah. Achha, so I have a very major question. All of my money is actually in my savings account right now. Do you think it's a good idea to keep it in my savings account, or if not, then what should I do about it?
Absolutely not. Firstly, I'll recommend that you should keep only that much of money in your savings account which you require on day-to-day basis, or maybe for your immediate goals. Because savings or even FD for that matter does not even cater for inflation.
Yeah.
So there's no point in keeping your entire amount in savings. Second piece of advice I'll like to give to you is, or for that matter to all the youngsters, is that instead of saving what is left at the end of the month, you should set aside some amount for saving and then plan your expenditure.
Yeah.
And the another very important part is that there's so many investment opportunities that are available today. You should invest wisely, starting from your liquid funds and right up to your real estate. The canvas is very vast.
Okay. So I think immediately अगर मुझे कहीं डालना है अपना पैसा, like right away, what should I do about it?
Depends on actually three factors. Firstly, what is your risk appetite? Second is how long you want to remain invested. And third is your immediate goals. Sometime you set a goal to yourself. Like I know you have goals of traveling. So you set aside certain amount that, okay, I need this much money for traveling to this place.
ठीक है.
So that much money you can either build it for yourself or you can keep it aside. So other than that, I think you can right now, what I can think of is you can put it in your liquid funds, and thereafter you can take out some money and keep investing every month
Into mutual funds or something.
Yeah, mutual funds or debt funds, like I said, depending
Yeah.
on your appetite. And this will even out all the vagaries of the up and down of
Okay.
senses that you
Okay.
see every month.
ठीक है. So both of us are currently using Upstocks for all of our investments, and Upstocks is also one of the best rated apps on the App Store right now. It offers free delivery trades for a lifetime, and also if you want to invest in mutual funds, you can do that through their platform as well. So anything, Papa, that you want to say about trading platforms, because you are the expert here?
Okay, the only point I want to highlight here is that the trading platform that you should use should be of a discount broker.
Yeah.
Actually, discount broker offers a tremendous amount of discount, and it is as low as I call it peanuts, something like rupees 20 per trade.
Yeah.
And if you go for some of the large brokerage house, and you end up paying 0.75% of the entire trade volume.
Exactly.
So sometimes the value can go really big and insane.
Yeah, especially the
there's-
more the money, I guess, the more the money it is going to
there's
cost.
no point in paying a huge amount of brokerage.
Yeah.
Because then the value of your investment goes down.
Makes sense. ठीक है. So discount broker, guys. So Papa, आपको तो जैसे पता ही है that I save up all of my money because I want to be able to travel, and my viewers always seem to have this question that how are your parents so okay with you traveling all the time? So any thoughts on that?
See, since we have also traveled a lot, and we know it is these days it is safer to travel.
Yeah.
Because of a couple of reasons. Firstly, the communication, wherever you are, we are in touch with you.
Yeah.
Secondly, most of the countries or the places or the areas that you travel to are rated safe.
Yeah.
And I would say that some places are even safer than what we have here.
Yeah.
And I would rather be afraid of you venturing in some parts of Delhi than
Than some places that I
than
travel to.
some places you travel to.
That's so
I
true.
personally feel Northeast is very safe.
Yeah.
Even some of the tourist destinations in India are very safe.
Yeah.
And more than the police or the organization, I think the people are very friendly in some of our especially hilly areas. They're very helpful.
That's true.
So that way we're not afraid, because this is also one of the job, I must say, that you have undertaken, and we are okay with it.
Yeah. They're actually very supportive. More than okay. So that's great. Papa, any last advice that you want to give to young viewers who are thinking about investing?
Okay, the only advice I can give here is that start investing.
Yeah.
So even if it is as low as whatever you can think of or set aside, because that's the only thing that grows over a period of time, and after a couple of years you'll realize that even small investment becomes very big.
Yeah, in fact, it's actually very exciting. Once you start, it gradually becomes exciting. Initially, it's very scary that how do we even go about it. But if you start with even say 5,000 rupees, 10,000 rupees, that is going to give you a lot of excitement over time.
There's something very interesting I'll tell you. Like those were the days when we joined our organization. So everyone used to invest in provident fund, and the amount was so minuscule, something like 400 rupees or a month. I realized that many of my friends who retired, who never took out anything from provident fund, they actually got huge amount, which is possible, was possible rather, because they started investing
From the start.
from the very start.
Yeah.
And they started, they were investing very small amount to begin with, and gradually their corpus started growing.
Wow. मैंने provident fund और pension account खोल लिया पापा, don't worry.
चलो ठीक है.
Okay guys, so that was all for today's video. I honestly had a lot of fun doing this on camera and having a little chat with my father. पापा आपको कैसा लगा?
बहुत अच्छा लगा.
मजा आया?
बहुत ज़्यादा.
And also for you guys, we have a special offer going on. So if you open an Upstocks account, it's going to not cost you anything. It's going to be absolutely free. So you get to save rupees 577 on opening an account. And also it'll help you navigate through the market without any losses, or hopefully lesser losses. And also you'll be able to get a 500 rupees Flipkart cashback if you trade within the first 7 days of opening your account. So that's going to be awesome. Also you get free consultation from Upstocks and benefits worth rupees 28,000. So this is a great offer. Go ahead, begin investing, get yourself an Upstocks account, and we guys will see you next time in another video. We guys, hopefully.
Happy investing.
Happy investing. Bye bye.